Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can use TightVNC Server and TightVNC Viewer to remote into the workplaces. So let's get started. So I've already installed TightVNC Server, and when you are installing the TightVNC Server, do not install it as a service, install it as standalone application. So after you have installed TightVNC Server, you have to set static IPs for your network, and you have to set 2 or more than 2 IP depending on the number of workplaces you have. In my case, I have only 2 workplaces and I've set 2 IP address to my network. Let me assign them to the workplaces. So this is the first workplace, and for the second workplace I'm assigning the second IP address. And after assigning the IP address, I have to do one more thing. So I have to add the TightVNC server program in the list so that it can use the IP. So TightVNC server application mode, not the service mode, and then choose run TightVNC server, add application, and close. So now this is on the list and it will be applied to both of them, if you see here. And now you may be asking how the IP came in the list, so let me show you that as well. So go here, click on network connections, it will open the network control panel, and for the Ethernet, go to properties and IPv4 and set the IP manually, or as we say, static IP. By default you add one IP address from here, but to add more, click on advanced and click on add, and you can add IP like this. So earlier I had 2 IPs, now I have 3 IPs here, and if you check from details, you'll see that there are 3 IP addresses, and these can be used for the workplaces. So after the IP has been set and the application added, run TightVNC server like this. Okay, so let me go to the second workplace, and in the second workplace the TightVNC server was already started. Let me start again. So this workplace will be using the IP 251, and the earlier one is using IP 250. So if I open TightVNC Viewer and enter the IP and connect, I'll be able to connect it to the first workplace, as you can see here. Okay, as you can see here, this is the first workplace, and I can control the workplace from here. So let me move out from the workplace. Now as you can see, this is the second workplace, and let me go to the first one, and in the first workplace let me open TightVNC Viewer as well. Okay, and the IP for the second workplace is 251, and earlier I had the TightVNC server running there. So as you can see, TightVNC is running in the second workplace. So this is the second workplace that I'm connected from the first workplace. So this way you can remote into the workplaces using TightVNC server and viewer, and it's not limited to the same computer. You can remote into the workplaces from other computers and other devices like Android phone or Mac or other computers. So that's about it. So if you have any questions about this, let me know, and stay tuned for more videos about Aster. Have a good day.